Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create comparison reports in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If you want to compare performance between time periods, channels, or campaigns, yeah, this guide will make it really simple. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one. Connect your data source like Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Google Sheets, or any data set where comparisons make sense. Make sure your date field and key metrics are available. Now start with scorecards. Add a scorecard for your main metric, like users, revenue, or conversions. In the scorecard settings, turn on comparison. Choose a comparison period such as previous period or previous year. This instantly shows growth or decline, honestly, one of the easiest ways to compare data. Next, add a date range control. This lets you switch between weeks, months, or custom periods, and the comparison updates automatically. So yeah, very flexible. Now use charts for deeper comparison. Add a line chart with date as the dimension and your metric as the value. Enable comparison lines to visually compare trends between periods. This makes changes over time much easier to understand. To compare categories, use bar charts or tables. For example, compare traffic sources, campaigns, products, or regions side by side. Tables work especially well when you want to compare exact numbers. If needed, create calculated fields for percentage change. This helps show how much performance increased or decreased instead of just raw values, which is often more meaningful. Design matters here. Keep layouts clean, labels clear, and charts aligned. Comparison reports should be easy to scan quickly without confusion. Before sharing, switch to view mode, change date ranges, test comparisons, and confirm everything updates correctly across charts. And that's it. By using scorecards with comparisons, date controls, trend charts, and breakdown visuals, you can create powerful comparison reports in Looker Studio. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching us, and I'll see you in the next one.